Hello and welcome to the guided instruction of your paddle court. In this video, I will explain step by step on how to install the court in an efficient way. Watch the whole thing before you start to avoid losing time and damaging the court. First of all, what should your delivery contain? 5 pallets in total, 3 big ones and a small one. These contain neutral blue panels. Then there's 1 pallet which contains all the lines. Each line has a number on them and is separated by a piece of card. There are 4 lines in total. How to start? It's important to note that the total court is 78 tiles in length and 39 in width. And 1 panel is 4 tiles in length and 3 in width. That means we have 19.5 panels in length and 13 in width. Now for the real work, where do we start? As we stand in an empty warehouse or in front of the net, we will start in the far left corner. First, we put down 2 rows of neutral blue in width. So, as I said earlier, 13 panels. Make sure all panels are faced in the same direction. As you can see, it has 2 sides with receivers and 2 sides without. Lay all the tiles down, but don't click them together yet, because mistakes can happen and can be corrected more easily. If you don't do it this way, there's a chance you will lose a lot of time and damage the court. Next, we start with the lines. Number 1 is the first baseline. If that line is down, you can see where the center line, which is number 2, needs to go. Then we have number 3, which contains half panels and the last piece of the center line. You should have 1 half left as a spare. And line number 4 is the last baseline. Then we add 2 more rows of neutral blue ones, which should come over here. And we finish up by filling the space between the baselines with neutral blues. Now that all panels are down, we can start clicking. First thing you need to check: is the net already installed? No? Is there a fence or cage of any kind? No? Then we click in a staircase kind of way, as you can see. In this way, we avoid tension on the court. If you click it together row by row and you're off by 1 centimeter, it will be catastrophic in the end. So always work in the staircase. Is there a cage present? Yes? Then you need to click together a whole width and a whole length to check for a 90-degree angle by using the Pythagorean theorem. Is there a net present? Yes? Then you need to decide which tile the middle one is. That will be between tile number 39 and 40. So if you count from the back of the court, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 39, 40. So the middle is here. Then you click one whole width together like this, and make sure you're perfectly straight. Then you alternate between width and width to make sure the center stays the same. And then you work your way to the outside, alternating between the width. So to summarize, no cage or no net. You start in the corner and work in a staircase. There is a cage, then you need to make sure you have a 90-degree angle. If there's a net, with or without a cage doesn't matter. If there's a net, you start in the middle. I hope this video will have helped you. Thank you and good luck.